Hi students, welcome to MathSpy channel. So today we will discuss about trigonometry super tricks. So students, this video is very useful to the students who are going to write MSET, NDA or JEE mains or SAT exam. Now start the chapter. So first one is complementary angles. So what is meant by complementary angles? If sum of any two angles equals to 90 degrees, then those angles are said to be complementary angles. So here A plus B equal to 90, so then AB are called complementary angles. So if A plus B equal to 90, then we have two conditions, that is tan A into tan B equals to 1. So this is the first one, and the second one is cot A into cot B is also equals to 1. So how it is happened? So if A plus B equals to 90 degrees, then from this B equal to what? 90 minus A. Now substitute here from 1 tan A into, so here in place of B we have 90 minus A, substitute 90 minus A, then tan A into, so tan 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. So what we get finally? Cot A. So tan A cot A gets cancelled, we will get 1. So similarly cot A into cot B equals to 1. So here if A plus B equal to 90 degrees, which is complementary angles, tan A into tan B equals to 1 and cot A into cot B equals to 1. So by using these two conditions, so we will solve some problems. The first one, tan 15 degrees, tan 30, tan 45 into tan 60 into tan 75. So each of the angle is raised by 15 degrees. So tan 15, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60 and tan 75. So by using complementary angle condition. So here, so now see the first one, tan 15 degrees and tan 75 degrees. See 15 plus 75 is 90. So A plus B equal to 90, though those angles are said to be complementary angles. So tan 15 into tan 75 is what? 1. And again tan 30, tan 60, 60 plus 30, 90. So here also tan A into tan B is 1 into tan 45 is also equals to 1. So what is this? 1. Very simple. Now we will move on to the second question. For suppose tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta equals to 1, tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta equals to 1. So we need to find tan 9 theta. So this is what we need to find. See, so we already know that when it is complementary, tan A into tan B equal to 1. When it is possible, A plus B equal to 90 degrees. So here, if A plus B equal to 90 degrees, tan A into tan B equal to 1. For suppose, if tan A into tan B equal to 1, then what happened? A plus B equal to 90 degrees. See here, so here we have a condition, tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta equal to 1, which means tan A into tan B equal to 1. Now A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Here A 5 theta, B 4 theta. So by using this condition, 5 theta plus 4 theta equals to 90 degrees. Now 5 theta plus 4 theta, which is what? 9 theta equal to 90 degrees. So theta is what? 10 degrees. So now theta is 10 degrees. So we need to find tan 9 theta. So tan 9 theta equals to tan 9 times of 10, tan 90 degrees. Tan 90 degrees is what? Not defined. Or else if you want to find sin 6 theta, for suppose if you want to find sin 6 theta, so which is sin 6 into 10 degrees equal to sin 60 degrees. So what is sin 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2. So this way we will solve the problem. For suppose if we take in terms of cot, for suppose if we take in terms of cot, so cot 11 theta into cot 7 theta equal to 1, find for suppose cot 6 theta we need to find. See here, the same way we already know that cot A into cot B equals to 1, then A plus B equal to 90 degrees. So cot A into cot B equal to 1, A plus B equal to 90 degrees. See here, cot A into cot B equal to 1. So 11 theta plus 7 theta equal to 90 degrees. So 18 theta equal to 90 degrees. So theta equal to what? 5 degrees. So here theta is what? 5 degrees. We need to find cot 6 theta. So cot 6 theta. So cot 6 into 5 degrees, which is nothing but cot 30 degrees. So we already know that cot 30 degrees is what? Root 3. Now we will move on to the next question. So in terms of tan, so tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B equals to 1. Find tan of 2A by 3. So the same way students, by using complementary angles. So here also, so tan A into tan B equal to 1. Then what is the condition? A plus B equal to 90 degrees. So A plus B plus A minus B equal to 90 degrees. Now BB gets cancelled. So 2A equals to 90 degrees. So A is what? 45 degrees. And we need to find tan 2A by 3. So tan of 2 into 45 by 3. So which is nothing but 3 ones are 3 15s are tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is what? 1 by root 3. So this way we will solve the problems on complementary angles. These are the super tricks to solve complementary angles. Okay students, thank you very much.